This is switch. Perfect. The battery is taking load. This is, you have to hold the switch maximum 5 seconds. Maximum 5 seconds. So this battery is okay. Now we'll check that 14 ampere battery. It's negative probe. Oh, this is showing me 8. It's not trained. Now let's see the load. This is bad. That means there is no ampere. There may be some voltage, but there is no ampere. So she is not sufficient for starting purpose also, and maybe good, not good for ECU related bikes. This is how we have tested the batteries. Thank you. If you want to see them, there is a voltage.